Here's 5 more coming in. Holy cow. No, this is trash. That's fine. Do you watch YouTube? There is literally an Amazon traffic jam here. How you doing? Good. I have some gloves, and I was wondering if I can exchange them for something better. They're kind of like they're ripping. Yeah, I have the receipt. They're not very good gloves. And see, this is ripping out, and this is ripping out here, and it leaks water here too.
How's the jacket for you?
It's all right.
Yeah, not great.
Well, I mean, it's a good design, and it's pretty warm, and it's totally dry. But the collar came loose on my first one, like about 3 weeks after I had it. This piece right here like totally came unraveled. But you guys swapped it out for me, and this one's been fine. So I've had this one for over 6 months now. I ride every day. So this one has a lot of miles on it. And I think for what you pay for it, it's good, you know. But I'm gonna try the Alpine Star one next, maybe next year, you know. Because I've been having good luck with the Alpine Star stuff, with the gloves and, you know, the boots. So it seems to be pretty decent stuff. No, this is trash. That's fine. Hey, can I get my backpack? All right, thank you.
Yeah, so I have a 500X too.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, so that's just why I was checking out your bike.
Nice. Yeah, I like it. It's a good bike. It's fun.
Oh yeah, they're great. I love them. Like I've been through other bikes too. Second bikes. Like I just bought Ninja.
Yeah, I bought this one new in into January this year, and I have over 18,000 miles on it.
Holy shit.
Do you watch YouTube?
Oh yeah. I spend a lot of time on YouTube.
Check out my channel then. I got all kinds of stuff about this bike on there.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, you got the extra lights on there. Mine has extra lights too, which are a little bit larger, and she installed them under the fairing.
Gotcha. Cool. Well, take care, man.
Yours are tied in, aren't they?
To what? What?
Or are they independent?
The lights?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a switch right here.
Okay, yeah, mine are independent switch too.
Yeah, I got a switch here, so yeah.
Alright, well, yeah, I'll check out your channel.
All right, man. Thanks.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Southeast 82nd Avenue.
New gloves, new gloves. What's going on, everybody? Oregon Motorcycle, bringing you another episode. I just got rid of those other gloves, and I got these gloves. They're a little tight, but I don't know. It feels sometimes I feel like I got to take what I can get. I don't know. These were on sale, and I traded in my old gloves, so I had to pay like an extra 30 bucks or something for these. These are Alpine Star Dry Stars, something rathers. I don't know. They say Tech Touring on them, but they say Dry Stars.
Turn right onto Southeast 82nd Avenue.
But so hopefully they're better than those other ones. Those other ones, they were falling apart like on the first day or second day I got them, and I think the thumb was leaking. I rode in the rain with them once, and I felt like I could feel it leaking on my thumb, so which is not good. So these are Dry Tech Alpine Stars, so they should keep the hands warm. And with my built overpants, that makes me 100% waterproof now.
In half a mile, turn left onto Northeast Gleason Street.
Anyways, got that taken care of. We are out on this beautiful Sunday afternoon in Portland, Oregon today, going on another drone mission. We're headed up to northwest Portland. So I don't know if we're going to be cruising downtown or what, but so yeah, you guys can go on a ride with me today through Portland. Gonna shoot a building, get back at it. If you guys see my last video, check it out. It's posted up here. I got a lot of views, and you guys, I thank all you guys for the comments. The comments are awesome because I learned a lot about, you know, your guys' experience, and you know, I've made adjustments to my life based on those experiences from you guys, which is totally awesome, man. I like, this is a motorcycle channel. I'm just some hooligan out here messing around and talking to you guys, and like now it was like beneficial to my health, so, which is so rad, something I never expected. So I thank all you guys so much for all the comments down below, and you know, guys voicing your opinions and stuff, and kind of took a little bit to make that video, but like I said, I don't
Northeast Gleason Street.
I don't hide anything, and I want to keep you guys posted on everything that I'm doing, and keep everybody on the up and up with what's going on in Oregon motorcycle land. So yeah, thought that was pretty cool. So yeah, guys, if this is your first time tuning in, or this is your 1000th time tuning in, or 100th time tuning in, and you're not subscribed, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. The days are counting down. It's getting closer and closer. It's November 8th today, so you know, we have, I don't know, what is that, 7 weeks left till the end of the year, and I'm trying to hit 6,000 subscribers by then, and I really need all your guys' help. Share my videos, hit the like button, and like I said, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, because I have more videos to come. I'm gonna have an awesome year next year, and all that good stuff. Amazon links below, a bunch of other links below. It's all good. Oh boy, had a good week last week. These last, you know, 5-6 days, going to work every day, keeping busy. I actually had a couple hours overtime, just I think the first time this year.
In half a mile, turn right onto Northeast Halsey Street.
That was pretty cool. And I would say overall, I think these last couple days I'm feeling a little bit better than when I filmed the video, my last video. So that's all good, you know, feeling good. So everything's looking pretty positive here. I don't know why I got to turn here. Oh yeah, okay, I see what's going on. I think I might get on the freeway for a sec here. The CB500X is just kicking butt. I'm exactly at 18,400 miles right now. Exactly 18,400 right now. And I was thinking the other day going to work, man, I just love this bike. I still, after all this time and with it and all these miles and everything, I still really like it. So
at the light, turn right onto Northeast Halsey Street, then turn left.
No regrets. Gloves are a little tight. Hopefully they'll work themselves in.
At the light, use the right lane to turn left.
Today we're just shooting I believe it's just a commercial building. Should be just another straightforward box box on the ground. That's what they look like from my monitor. So yeah, so once you get that basic recipe down, that you and the customer like these shoots become pretty easy. Pretty easy.
Use the right lane to keep right to merge onto US 30 West towards City Center. Keep right.
Yeah, baby. Woo! right, mission accomplished. Got some nice shots here. Looking good. All right. These prime trucks just coming in one after another here. Crazy. What's going on here? This isn't a distribution center, I don't think. Or maybe it is. I don't know. So these gloves are pretty warm. I'll have to try them out in the rain. They look all right. Got the pinky guard there. They're a little tight, but I think they'll get broken in a little bit. So, yeah. Hopefully they'll last a while. There's another Amazon truck and another Amazon truck. What the hell? Speaking of Amazon, I got some Amazon deliveries coming today. Maybe they'll be there when I get back. These are supposed to be screen friendly too, but they're not. Sometimes if you get your gloves moist or something, that helps or something. I don't know. Anyways. There's an Amazon van going out. More coming in. Look at them. We just counted like 4 going in right now. Here's 1 coming out. Here's 5 more coming in. Holy cow. Dang. Oh, there's another one. It's just, what the hell? It's an Amazon parade. Jeez. Oh, here comes the unmarked Amazon. They're in the Hertz, so they're just piling out because they don't even have enough vans that say Amazon on them. They got to rent trucks and stuff. Holy cow. There is literally an Amazon truck traffic jam here. What the hell, dude? Couple more leading up the pack. Interesting. Must be some kind of distribution center there or something. Maybe they're just going on the clock right now. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna sign off here. I'm gonna get back home, get through Portland, and get this video edited up, get these pictures sent out, and yeah, enjoy my new gloves. Said hopefully they keep. It's pretty cold today. Might only be in the 40s right now. I know the sun's out, but it was freezing this morning. It was like 30 degrees, and then tonight it's supposed to get into the high 20s, so it's gonna be chilly. So this will be a good test for these gloves tomorrow morning on the way to work, because it's probably gonna be like in the 20s tomorrow going to work. So it's gonna be cold, so that was a funny car. There's a building over here. I'm gonna try to get some pictures, some Instagram pictures. Anyways folks, till next time, Oregon Motorcycle.